Welcome students to class 3 Max. I hope you all fine. In the previous class we were studied up to this question and two questions are remaining here. And like this question we will meet afterwards. Higher order thinking skills. Okay, let's move to the next section, problems on subtraction. Here they given one example. What should be added to get 2389 to get 4800. Okay, let us check. Okay, here question is that what should be added to get 2389 to get 4800. Okay, for this question we have to subtract 2389 from 4800. Okay, let us start. Solution. Subtract 2389 from 4800. Okay, let us subtract. Before that we have to write the place value, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, let's write the numbers according to the place value, and after that T9. So okay, let's start with the ones column. Here it is 0 minus 9 is there, so you know that you cannot subtract 9 from 0. So let us take 1 from tens column. Let us take 110 from tens column, but here also 0 is there, so you know that you cannot take anything from here. So let us cut and write hundreds column. I take 1 from hundreds column and this number will become 10. So after that we have to take 1 from this number. We have to take 110 from this number. So this number will become 10. Now it's 10 minus 9, which gives us 1. So next tens column, 9 minus 8 is 1. Then hundreds column, 7 minus 3 is 4. Then thousands column, 4 minus 2 we have. So what is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 is 2. The answer is 2411. So now you know that, hence 2411 should be added to 2389 to get 4800. Understood? For checking this answer, you have to add 2389 to 2411. Understood? So let us check. 2411 plus 2389. Here 1 plus 9 is 10, 1 is carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, again 10, 1 is carry, then 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, next thousands column, 2 plus 2 is 4. So we got the answer 4800. Understood? Okay, one more example. Okay, here one more example. What should be added to 2480 to get 4291? Okay, for this question we have to subtract 2480 from 4291. Understood? Solution 2480 from 4291. Okay, let us subtract 4000 291 from 2480. 2480 from 4291. Okay, let us check ones column first. 1 minus 0 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 2 minus 4 is, what is 2 minus 4? You know that you cannot subtract 4 from 2. So let us cut and write thousands column, and let's take 1 from here. This number will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Next 3 minus 2. What is 3? 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 1811. So hence 1811 should be added to 2480 to get 4291. Understood? Okay, next question we will take from exercise 4.4. First question, what should be added to 435 to get 1000? Okay, let us check. Okay, what should be added to 435 to get 1000? Okay, let us check. For this question we have to subtract 435 from 1000. Okay, subtract 435 from 1000. Okay, subtract 435 from 1000. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. 435. Okay, let's start with the ones column first. Here in ones column, here we have 0 minus 5. You know that you cannot subtract 5 from 0. So let us take 1 from tens column. Here also 0 is there. So let us move to the hundreds column. Here also 0 is there. So let us move to thousands column. Cut and write 0 here, and let's take 1000 from thousands column. Here this number will become 10. Understood? Okay, again we have to take 1 from hundreds column. This number will become 9. So that number will move to the tens column. Understood? Cut and take 1 from tens column. Now this number is 10. 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5? Is 5. Next 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 0. We get the answer 565. So hence 565 should be added to 435 to get 1000. The answer is 565. Okay, students, please do these two questions as a homework. Question number 2 and 3. These two MCQ questions. Okay, see you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.